So we're glad that you're here today. We're excited and full of hope on this groundbreaking occasion to build the first new structures from CSU's experiment station.
This is a glorious day here at Central State University. I want to thank you all for joining us in this groundbreaking ceremony for the new land-grant research facilities. This is the beginning stage of an innovative landmark.
This is a great, great day.
Yes, it is.
We are committed, your foundation is committed to providing whatever support is necessary to help this great next step in the evolution of the Central State University. This will be the answer to the food desert problem in urban Ohio, Indiana, and in this region.
The thing that I like mostly about Open House for Central State is that it gets the community involved, and also it brings in other people who want to invest in our students and also in Central State.
Overall, this will benefit the students greatly. I know that Central State, we are really adamant with all of the programs that we offer here, especially like our education and our business programs. However, for STEM majors, this is going to be a very great opportunity for them, especially being at an HBCU, one of the only HBCUs in Ohio itself. So not only will this expose students to more education and more opportunities, but this will enhance them and their potential. As they leave Central State University, they're able to go into bigger higher ed universities or even greater job atmospheres, and they're able to actually show what they learned as a part of being here at Central State University while contributing back to the overall frame of their society.
This facility is important to the community because it represents a number of things. One, it represents growth in the university and what the university will accomplish. Two, it really begins to change the research mission of Central State. We are now becoming a true land-grant institution with the facility to perform the kind of in-depth research that's important not only for the community, but for students and for the community in general.